Hello, good day everyone. Nandito kami ngayon sa IPH workshop. Ito, isang engine. Meron kaming unit na pumasok recently. Galing Cebu yung unit, Super Beetle 1303. Then ito yung engine niya. Ang gusto ng customer is full mechanical repair, maging roadworthy ulit yung unit after years of storage. So ngayon ito, share ko lang yung engine na kasama nung 1303. Ini-inspection namin, ina-assess namin yung kalagayan ng engine. Tapos na yung oil pressure. Oil pressure on cold start is about 35 psi. So ideally nasa 50 to 60. I-improve na lang namin, try muna namin palitan yung oil pump. So there are two dalawa yung points namin para mag-warrant ng isang engine rebuild ang isang makina. Pag mababa ang oil pressure, cold start 0 to 10, or ang end compression test is below 85 psi. 85 yun yung as per manual. So pag na-meet ng engine yung dalawang criteria na yun, sinasuggest namin sa customer na i-rebuild yung engine. Pero ngayon, kasi yung oil pressure niya is okay, 35 psi nung cold start. So, number one, hindi na na-meet yun. So, next namin is compression test. Pakita namin sa inyo procedure for compression test. Well, anyway, ito yung engine. Nakakatuwa lang. Made in USA yung alternator pa. Suggestion namin is i-rewire to sa isang electrical shop para mag-improve yung ampere niya. Then nakakatawa lang, original pa yung oil filler, even the oil filler cap. Akala mo pang Mercedes-Benz, pero tigas na. May part number sa ilalim. So yun, even yung alternator stand may part number, even this one may part number. Ayan, may VW logo. So yun, pati pala ka lang siya, fully. Anyway, ayun. So compression test, dapat ang throttle is full open pag nagko-compression test kayo. So ayan, 0 on cylinder 1. Alright, sige. Alright, 81, 82.5 yung highest. Hindi pa namin i-suggest. Check pa namin yung mga valves, i-adjust namin kung fully closed talaga. At ikaw ang pressure test ulit. As per manual, compression is 85 psi yung limits, wear limit. So, konti lang. 81, 85, 4 psi lang yung kulang. So, tawag dito, i-adjust muna namin yung mga valves para kung talagang hindi mag-improve, yun, suggest namin, i-inform namin ng customer para kung ano yung next move na pwede sa kanya. Cylinder number 2. Sige, cylinder number 3. 124.5 yung highest. or 94.5 ang highest, 95.5. So, okay pa. Kasi 85 ang wear limit eh. Not necessarily, ideal is 100, pero not necessarily na due for engine rebuild. So tuwan-tuwa kami kung maka 150, 160, 170 PSI sa compression test. Kasi, meaning, napakaganda ng compression ng makina. Number 4. 103, 110. Alright. Pasado. Except sa number 1, which is about 4 PSI lang yung kulang niya. Kung initial test namin kanina, nasa 87 yun eh. So, 88. So, yun. So, it doesn't necessarily need ng engine rebuild itong makina na to. Improvement, oo. Improvement ng ignition system, improvement ng fuel system by siguro putting dual carbs, and improvement ng oil, ng cooling system, which is the oil pump. Kasi di ba anong number 1, ano ang primary cooling ng engine ng air-cooled? Lubrication, oil ang number 1 cooling system ng type 1 engines or any air-cooled engines. Unlike the Japanese or other engines, water is secondary. Primary cooling is oil, and ang nag-help sa kanya is water. Wala namang water ang Volkswagen air-cooled engines. Ayun. And we'll keep you updated sa status nito, sa status ng project namin now. Ayun. Ayun yung unit. So, yan. That's what keeping us busy right now sa iPage workshop. Alright, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel, Import Parts Hub. Thank you and have a good day, everyone. See you later.